Hey, good morning. So back at it today at the mill. Gonna keep cutting up boards for the loft that I showed in one of the recent videos for the garage. So still don't have my UTV fixed, so that's limiting a lot of what I can do, but the mill's working fine, and that's what I'm doing today. Trying to clean them off a little bit. They're kind of muddy still from dragging them out of the woods, and I'll get the mill uncovered, get it fired up, and we'll start cutting a few more logs today. See how it goes. Got to make some progress. I haven't had any time to work on this, so I'm excited to be out here today. It was about 27 degrees when I got up, but it's in the mid 30s now, high 30s, hopefully low 40s soon. So good day to be out here doing this, nice and cool, and let's get to it. Welcome to TWC Projects. Unfortunately, I thought this thing was longer than 10 feet, but it's not, and I need 10-foot boards. It's exactly 10 feet, but with that hollow inside, I won't be able to use it for what I need it for, so kind of discouraging, but hey, I've got another one here. I can get started on that. I probably won't bother cutting that up today. One of the big hole in it. I'll have to find another candidate to use. I'm trying to get the main boards cut up that I need for the support structure first, so that they're available and drying. And I can't haul anything else out of the woods at this point, so I've got to use what's in my pile, and then I've got to be able to figure out how to get it from the pile to the saw. So, boy, it would be nice to have a tractor or skid steer or a mini excavator. You know, but hey, I'll make do with what I've got for now. So anyway, let's get back to it. All right, this probably looks pretty crazy. I think it is. I think there's a better way to do it still, but this is what I'm doing at the moment, because I gotta get these darn oak logs out of here so I can cut them. I swear I spend more time trying to move the logs than I do cutting them, so I'm learning something for sure right here. But anyway, being resourceful as much as I can as usual, and I'll keep at this. Yeah, I can't do that for much longer. I'll be out of energy. My arms will be like rubber soon if I keep that up. All right, well, looks like my batteries died all around in the middle of that, between the microphone and the camera. So I don't know how much of that I was able to record, but we'll see when I go to edit it. But I ended up getting out of that oak log that was such a chore to get from the pile over to here using pulleys and everything else. But I ended up getting one of my 4x6s out of it, and of course this is a solid oak, which is super heavy. And I got a little over, it was probably 2 1/8, 2 1/4 by 6. It just ended up that way. But and a couple of 1x down there, I don't know if they'll be 1x4s, 1x6s. I've got to still turn them on the side, cut the bark off, the bark side off. But so that's where I am right now, and just about time to take some lunch, I think, and then I'll get back to it after lunch. We'll get another one on here and keep cutting. All right, out of those last few pieces, I was able to get a 1x4 and 1x6 and a 1x8 over there, plus the 2x6 and the 4x6. So that's not too bad. That wasn't a very big log, so to get all that out of it, all that oak wood, pretty good. All right, there we go. So the last couple boards there that I needed. I got a 1x that's not much good. I had quite a dip in the middle, so you can see it. That's not much good, but maybe I can get some, since it's 1 inch, I could probably get some stickers out of it, and that'll be good. Always need those. And then I got a 2x6, a little bit of a rough edge, but still good. Good looking board there. And then my another 4x6. So that gives me all 4 posts now for the loft, and gives me some of the joists. And I have 1 stringer. That's the problem. I'm having trouble coming up with 2x8, so I need some more 2x8s. But It's just been tough because I don't really have very many big oak. I have the really big ones, but they're only 8 feet long, and I need 10 for this loft. So I'll figure it out. I may end up just doubling up something else, some poplar or something else if I need to. But actually, I probably only need the strongest. I need the oak stringers on the ends, and then on the sides I can probably just use poplar or whatever, because it's just structurally holding it together, isn't taking the weight. All the weight's going to be on the oak. So I think we're good. I guess that's it for today. It ends up taking so long because it's just trying to drag this stuff out using a winch or something. Definitely seeing a flaw in my plan. Originally I thought I could just keep rolling the logs off and I would cut them as I wanted them, but once I started realizing I needed to cut for specific jobs and specific projects, all of a sudden I can't just roll what's in front off next and cut it next. So I just don't have that much time. Eventually I'll get it all cut. But anyway, so I think that's it. The log pile's getting down a little bit. Hopefully I can get that UTV fixed and haul some more out. Although I think I only have pine in the woods right now. Like I said, cutting them up isn't the time. I think it takes much time. It's figuring out what you're going to get out of it and physically getting it on the mill. So I'm definitely very envious of the people with tractors and or better systems. So I'll have to work on that going forward. But I'm still getting some stuff done slowly but surely. So I guess we'll call that a day. TWC project. Lots of projects. I can't wait to actually start building again. Now, I haven't built anything in so long. I've spent all this time trying to deal with raw material and getting the equipment I needed and getting stuff set up. So, the goal of this channel really was to show more building, creating, fixing things. And I haven't done a lot of that because I've been just trying to get the stuff I needed to build with. So anyway, hope you've enjoyed this episode of TWC Projects, and if you haven't already subscribed, please do that. I love, it's nice if you do that and you hit the bell, you'll also get you'll get notices when the new ones come out, which is pretty much every weekend. And hit the thumbs up if you liked it. And that's it. So have a great week. Get outdoors, get fresh air, build something, fix something, enjoy God's creation, and have another great week. All right? Take care. Bye.